Okay, so we've got 3 apple trees, a Fuji, and a Honeycrisp. Honeycrisp. We've got this over here, this Granny Smith, right here in the corner. And the reason it's like that is because we pruned it, because we had some contractor in here doing some work, and basically it's been a while now, but backed up here and clipped the top of it, and it was very sad, leaning over there. We pruned it, and hopefully we've probably lost a year on it, but hopefully it'll come back nicely. Now today I put this little tomato tower here, and then put these ribbons on it because I want to avoid it happening again. It's got a shot here, and we want to give it every chance we can to survive, and hopefully this will keep make sure if somebody's driving through here, not a lot of traffic anyway, but in case somebody needs to back up right here, that they'll see it.